So before I had any of this work done, I had previous dental work done, but only enough as a child can you go through, but they can't really pull all of your teeth as a young adult. So basically, I was having a really hard time eating anything, whether it be cold, hot, room temperature, soft, didn't matter what I was eating, it hurt, it shot pain all the way up my mouth. Amelogenesis imperfecta is basically no enamel on the teeth. So for many years, everybody said basically we had soft teeth. They couldn't really take the impact of anything. They broke away easily. So it just was a whole mouthful of problems at that rate. And it was pretty painful.
So when I met Kristi, her energy is infectious. However, her big concern and in her case embarrassment was her mouth. She was dealing with an issue that was completely not her fault. It's just the card she was dealt, and she had teeth that really needed some help. So in her case, we were able to provide her some pretty complex dentistry that I feel like's changed her life.
Basically, I said, just get them out. I don't care what the cost is. I don't care the procedure. Just get them out of my mouth. I want a healthy mouth. I want to feel good. I don't want to have to worry about in the future, like, will I possibly have to have more teeth extracted, dental work. I just wanted to just get it done and be over with it.
So with Kristi, the funnest thing to do is just to look at the before and afters. You can see the change in the smile. You can see the change in her energy. What we were able to provide for her was probably one of my favorite cases in my history as a dentist because of where she started, the nervousness that she had, the embarrassment that she had, and where she is now, and what it took for her to work through that. And then finally, once we got started and we were able to move on correcting her issue, she's just been amazing.
I was a fitness competitor for about 10 years. Another reason why I wanted to go through with the dental surgery was to improve my overall appearance on stage. You know, I couldn't really smile to my fullest on the stage. I had to really limit how big my smile was, no matter how I was feeling on stage, and it kind of got in the way too, because in certain shots you could see my whole mouth because I was in action. I was doing flips, handstands, whatever, and to smile while you're jumping, like, well, your mouth obviously comes open, and that was kind of embarrassing too, but you know, it is what it is. There were so many things that I had to do before, and now I don't even have to worry about it. At first, when I first got it done, I still was in that mode of like very self-conscious. Now I'm like, what? I don't have to do that. It doesn't matter who sees my mouth inside or out. My smile is beautiful. There's no smile more perfect than the one that I have. And I believe in that strongly. There's nothing that anybody could say about my teeth that I could be like, no, you're right. No, you're right. It's perfect. This is one of the best investments I've ever made in my life. And I would do it again.